right, investors. So I've got a little treat for you, and it's, it may excite you, it may not. It really excites me. I think it's an awesome advantage that I'm going to teach you about in the stock market and in long-term investing. Um, and I hope that you can take this and apply it to your long-term investments, and I hope that it helps you catch a few extra percentages along the way to growing wealth. So I've done a video already talking about dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging, hands down, is the best way to invest your money long term. And we already talked about it, so I'm not going to expand on it very much, but it's putting your money in incrementally over time to build wealth and to invest in an ETF rather than just put your lump sum in at one time. So if we agree that dollar cost averaging is the best way to invest because it catches all of the dips in the market, okay? It catches all of those points. So if I invest once a week and I invest it on a Wednesday every single week, that's awesome because I'm catching different reactions in the market along the way. All right, so I have dollar cost averaging with a little twist that I like to do, and it's how I invest my money, and it's even better than dollar cost averaging on its own. Okay, so really turn your volume up and really listen because it's very important. If you're the type person that you want to set up a recurring investment on your Robinhood app and you just want, I don't want to look at it, I just want to put my $30 or $40 in there a week and it just put it in there for me automatically wherever, every Wednesday, I don't care, just put it in there. That's cool. All right, look, that is awesome. As long as you're dollar cost averaging, you're winning, I promise. But if you do like I do, there's a little bit more to be gained. All right, so instead of doing that, so just imagine this. You're one of those people, you put your money in recurring every Wednesday, okay, once a week. Well, what if every Wednesday for a month is the best day that ETF has had ever? So it's up 4 or 5% each Wednesday of the month, and you're putting your money in at the highest points. That's not good. You don't want your money in at the highest points, okay? You want your money in, you want to buy low. Like I've said in every video that I've made so far, buying low is the key because buying low, you're getting cheaper shares. You're spending the same amount of money, but you're gaining more shares and there's more room for growth, okay? So you don't want to buy when it's really high. You want to buy when it's low. So what I do, if I'm going to invest once a week, what I'll do is every day I'll get on my app and I'll check it out and I'll see, okay, what is ARKK doing today? Okay, I open it and today it's up 3%. Well, I won't buy that day. I'll go on to the next day. I'll open it up at 11 o'clock or whatever time. I'll look at it. Oh man, it's Tuesday and ARKK is down today 3%. I wonder what's going on. Who cares? It's down 3%. It's a cheaper price right now than it was yesterday. I'm buying. I'm putting my money in right then. And I'm catching the lowest point that I possibly can. Wednesday comes along. It's up. It went up 2 more percent. Thursday, it's down a little bit, 1%. Friday, it's up 4 more percent. Well, just by looking at my app once a day, or twice a day if you want to, I'm finding and buying what I feel is going to be the lowest point that week. Now, I know you're saying, yeah, but if you look at it on Tuesday and it's down 3%, how do you know it's not going to be down 3 more percent on Friday? Well, it might be, but that's the risk you have to take. Do you give up that it's down 3% now to wait till Friday? What if it goes up from then? You missed your low point of the week. What if you wait till Friday and it does go down 3 more percent? Well, awesome, you made the right gamble. What I do in that case is when it dips to 3% or any percent, if it drops at all, I buy. And if on Friday it's down even lower, I'll go ahead and buy my next week's worth of shares then. I'll just go ahead and buy it ahead of time. You always want to buy when it's low, guys. You want the most room for growth. You're going to gain more percentages by looking at your phone once a day and seeing, okay, the investment that I'm investing in, the ETF that I'm investing in, is it low today? Is it in the red? Is it negative today? Or is it up today? Simple as that. If it's down today, it's a better time to buy it than it was yesterday. It's that simple, okay? It takes a few minutes of your time a day to catch several percentages throughout the years. Imagine if by the time you get done, you have $1 million in your investment, okay? Let's say it's $1 million. You are officially a millionaire. Well, if you had caught all the dips just by looking at your phone and saying, okay, it's down today 2 or 3%, I'm going to go ahead and put my money in there because it's the lowest price. It's going to gain me more percentages in the long run. That's what I'm going to put my money in. Well, by the time you have $1 million using this method, now you have 1.2 million. Well, guess what? I want the 1.2. And all it takes is me looking at my phone once a day or twice a day, seeing what's happening with my ETF. Do I want to buy today because it's low, or do I want to wait until tomorrow and see if it's lower? And that's the whole theory. Like I said, dollar cost averaging is fantastic. It is awesome. It works every single time that it has been used. For me, I don't know of a case when it doesn't work. But to add an extra step to that, to gain you more wealth from that, if you manually put in your money each week, and you track it and you find the lowest point of each week and buy it, you're gaining so much more money in the long run, it's unreal. Okay? So that's dollar cost averaging with a little twist that I put on it. I know that it works because my account, I've done that from the beginning, and my account has grown way more in the last year by doing that and catching those extra few percentages than it would have if I just put it in every Tuesday or every Wednesday. Blindly. Okay? I hope that this video makes sense to you guys. I really do. Please comment down below. Let me know, does this make sense? Is this Farsi to you? Do you not understand a word I'm saying? Do you understand it completely? Does it completely make sense? Is it something you're going to try to do? Is it something that you say, well, I just don't have time for that. I don't want to do it. I just want to put my money in, set up the recurring deal. It takes it out of my bank account. I don't have to worry about it. No headache, no nothing. If you want to do that, that's fine. I'm all for that. I actually have one that does that too, just because I want to track it and see what actually happens to it. But if you use dollar cost averaging with this little twist on the end, let me know. I really want to know if you guys use it or not. Like I've said in all my videos, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, do that for me. I want to get you my content as quickly as possible. As soon as it gets uploaded, come straight to your phone and you've got it right there. All right, so keep investing. Let's keep making money. Let's get extremely, extremely wealthy and look back 40 years from now and say, man, I'm really glad I made this decision. All right, you guys have an awesome day. Catch you later.